Hi, this is Steve Miley for FxExplained, and now we're going to look at the euro versus the dollar. And this time, having previously looked at this chart with the euro dollar retracement of this move down that we saw from A through to B. Previously, we looked at the retracements of that move up to this point at C. Now we're going to look at the Fibonacci extension, which you usually use as target levels. So we're going to look at the Fibonacci extension level, initially now drawing it from point A through to B. So we draw the extension from here, from A down to the point B. Then we go to the first significant retracement level. Where is that? Well, that's our point C that we've identified. So we're then going to move it up to here as point C, and you can see the market now extrapolating these levels here: 61.8%, 127, 1.27, and then the 1.618 extension levels. What are these extension levels? Well, this is the measuring from point A to point B. That would be measured as 100%, and then moving from here, from point C, extrapolate down. So this distance here is 61.8% of this entire A to B move measured down from C. This is 127.2% here. This move, this distance from here, from C down to this 127.2% extension level. That's 127.2% of this move here being 100%. So that's 127.2% of AB being 100%. And similarly, this is 161.8% of the move from A to B being 100%. These are then used as Fibonacci extension targets, particularly useful in here for the euro versus the dollar, because seeing was it going to here below 103.50, the market moving to multi-decade lows in here. So these extension targets, important targets for us to be measuring, particularly when we're moving into territory we haven't been into for many months, or maybe many days, or even many years or decades in this case. This has been Steve Miley for FxExplained, and we've been looking at Fibonacci extension levels.